All right, today we're going to take a magnifying glass to a web page you've probably seen thousands of times, but maybe never really stopped to look at. We're deconstructing one of the most common yet overlooked digital doorways in the entire world.
No, really, think about it for a second. Is it your news feed, your email, social media? Well, those are all destinations, right? But there's that one page that comes before all of them, a page that literally holds the keys to your entire digital kingdom.
And there it is. You know it instantly. It's so simple, so minimal, that our brains are just wired to type, click, and move on. But hidden inside that simplicity is this powerful system of identity, security, and agreement that we all use every single day.
So, let's start by framing this page the right way. This isn't just some form you fill out. It's a universal gateway. For billions, literally billions of people, this is the digital front door to their work, their social lives, their memories, pretty much everything.
And the page gives us this one simple instruction. Use your Google account. Just those 5 words. That's the whole point of the page. It's not asking for just any old login. It's asking for a very specific, unified key. But what is that key, really?
Well, that Google account is so much more than just a username and password. It's your digital key, a single, incredibly powerful master key that unlocks an entire ecosystem of connected services, from your email to your documents, even your video history.
At its core, a Google account is your centralized digital ID. You can think of it like a digital passport. It lets you travel seamlessly from Gmail to Google Docs to YouTube, all without having to flash your credentials over and over again. In the digital world, it is you.
And this is how we present that passport. That small input box, the one asking for your email or phone, that's the digital version of you walking up to a gate and stating your name. It's the very first step in this lightning-fast process to confirm you are who you say you are.
But what if you're not the right person? Or what if you lose your key? You see, this page is designed for more than just letting you in. It's also designed to keep the wrong people out and to help you if you ever get locked out yourself.
And this question, it's fundamental to how the whole page works. The system has to have a backup plan for when things go wrong, and those plans are built right into the interface, hiding there in plain sight.
Just take a look at these safeguards here. Forgot email? That's your lifeline if you lose that digital key. And that little prompt, not your computer, that is a critical security question. It's asking you to declare your context. Are you on a safe, trusted device? Or should you be using a more secure guest mode to protect yourself?
And get this, the page's behavior actually changes depending on how you answer. On your own computer, it's all about convenience, keeping you signed in. But if you tell it you're on a public or shared device, it shifts into guest mode. It prioritizes your privacy and security by making sure none of your activity gets saved. It's a pretty intelligent, adaptive system.
Okay, so we've covered identity and security. But there is one more layer to this page, and it's tucked away at the very bottom. These are the rules of the road, the contract that you implicitly agree to just by using the service.
3 small words: help, privacy, terms. Most of us, let's be honest, we just scroll right past them. But these 3 little links, they form the entire legal and operational framework for your digital identity. They are profoundly important.
So let's break them down real quick. Help is basically the user manual. Privacy, that's the big one, the policy that explains the rules for how your data is collected and used. And terms, that is the legally binding contract you accept the moment you click Next. Together, they define the whole relationship between you and the platform.
So when you put all these pieces together, man, it becomes so clear. This isn't just a login page. It's this sophisticated system that manages your identity, enforces security, and establishes a contractual agreement, all in a matter of seconds.
Think about it like this. Every single time you sign in, you're going on this super fast 3-step journey. Step 1, you state your identity. Step 2, you confirm your security situation. And step 3, you implicitly agree to all the rules. And all of that happens with just a few keystrokes and 1 click.
So here's the key takeaway. Every single time you log in, it's an active process. You aren't just passively accessing something, you are actively participating in a system. You're making a declaration about who you are, what device you're on, and what rules you're willing to follow.
It's an action we perform on complete autopilot, right? But it's a choice, and it has real consequences for our data and our digital footprint. It's the moment we trade our key for access. So I'll leave you with this question. The next time that familiar page pops up on your screen, just take a half second to really see it. What are you presenting? What are you securing? And what, with that single click, are you really agreeing to?